Hey, it's Jason. I'm out in the lightning storm right now. Yeah, it's raining. You should see it before how windy it was. Holy mackerel. Yep. No, 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 no. Yeah. Come on, give me a picture of lightning before I go in the house. Holy mackerel. Yep. Where the camera went? What? Yeah. Whew. Oh, there's lightning. Did you see it? Yeah, I took a picture of it. You see that? Right on video, too. That was a good one, too. Yep. Yeah, lightning. Yeah, it's chasing right here. We're watching the thunderstorm. We're watching the thunderstorm. Yep. Whew. Wow, look at the river's getting high. Holy shit, look at the wind did before. It snapped. Look at that. Holy mackerel. Look. There's more lightning. Look at that. See the high winds did? Holy shit. It snapped that tree. Do you see that? Holy fuck. Look, it's all, the whole tree broke from the downside. See, it's all heavy there? Looks like the tree snapped over there too. Holy mackerel. Look at that. Look at the other branch broke up there. See that? Damn. Look at the whole tree is gonna fall down. Look at that. Look at that. Whole thing is gonna fall right on somebody's head. Look at that. Holy mackerel. Yeah. Holy shit. Look at that. Damn. That fall on your head, huh? Ah, that's a big lightning. You see that? Holy mackerel. That good video of that. Damn. Yeah. Well, we're going to get away from this tree. We're not going to get too close to it in case we get another windstorm. Possibly knock it right on my head. Wow. Woo. Look at that. Look at the dark clouds, huh? Yeah, see, the tree busted. Look at that. Holy mackerel. Tree cracked. Look at that. Holy mackerel. I wish you saw that lightning before. That was a good shot of the lightning. What? Yeah, it's coming down from the corner. We'll see if we get any more flashes. Come on. There it is. What? Yeah, but look at that tree. It cracked. Holy mackerel. Yeah, look at the river. How high the river is, too. Holy mackerel. Yep. Well, this is Jason. I have to get going. But you see that tree? That tree got damage to it, boy. This is Jason from East Team. I have to go before I get hit by lightning. Bye-bye.